What's up? What's up? What's up? So for SPY futures here, like I said, since everyone's coming in now, let me just do a quick overview and review of what I just said the last 15 minutes or so here. So you would definitely could be getting a little tiny gap down tomorrow from the close of today on SPY futures. Just be wary of a potential, even a little slight gap up, because we do have economic data coming in, jobs report, right, labor participation, and unemployment rate. And if all those numbers are good in the fact that they're all, they don't meet expectations, then that would be good, right? Especially unemployment rate. If it's higher, okay, than the historically low unemployment rates that we've been seeing for the past 2 years, then that's a good sign, right? That means the economy is ready to contract, right? So it's very, very simple economics there. And that's what the Fed wants, and that's what the market wants. We want to see the future, the potential future where the Fed stops hiking interest rates, right? And we want to see a cutback in that interest rate, right? So with SPY futures here, we need to basically kind of hold this 3730 level, okay? I've stated this multiple times in this entire week's lives that I want us to hold this 3730 level and not retest it, just solely for the fact that I want us to stay bullish. All right, so there's a little bit of a bias there, but we've already retested this 3730 level, on Wednesday, on Tuesday, right? And no, wait a second, on Wednesday. I was correct. So on Wednesday, and we bounced off of it, which means that we've turned this 3730 level as a new support. So if we come back down again to retest it a second time, that means it's showing the bears here that the bulls are very, very weak, and that's going to give leeway for bears to come back in and completely reverse this to the downside, right? And even on the 15-minute time frame, like I said, not 15 minutes, excuse me, on a 2-hour time frame on this live SPY futures, we're seeing a little tiny Morningstar doji here, and we've also allowed, thanks to this consolidation that we've been seeing for the past 2 days, including today, we've allowed the 2-hour 50 SMA to catch up here, right? It was pretty far away after this impulse move up higher, right? And if you take a look closer here, even on the 1-hour time frame, we're looking at a nice falling wedge on SPY futures, right? So I didn't really want to mention this because Morningstar doji, that's also a bullish reversal candlestick. It doesn't really matter, but I did want to mention this to you guys. All right, so this can potentially be a play overnight for bulls, for any people who play futures, right? And you can see a nice big move upward back to around, I would say, 3790 tomorrow. But like I said, everything relies on those 3 separate economic data reports, right? Jobs report, labor participation, labor force participation, and then unemployment rate. All right, those are going to be the very 3 key things that can move the market in the opposite direction of where it was going in pre-market, right? Because I believe all of them comes out an hour before the market opens. Okay, so they're going to set the tone once the market is open, right? So hopefully, as a bull myself right now, since there is still no reason to be so bearish just yet. Okay, just yet, even on SPY on the 2-hour time frame, we need to be cautious. Okay, we need to be cautious of where SPY could potentially go after the economic data kicks in. All right, and to summarize SPY, basically what I said was that if we do end up with a little tiny gap down, or if we start reversing after that economic data is in, we're most likely going to be slightly below 372.20. So watch out for an open between 370.50 and 372.20. Right, so 372.20 is our next immediate level of significant support. So watch out for that, because if we do end up gapping down very, very tiny, right, maybe a few cents or maybe even just $1, who knows, or maybe just slightly above 372.20, okay, we could be seeing a bounce right at market open. So that's the reason why I've been saying to be careful with your puts that you guys swing overnight, and I have to be careful with my UVXY calls as well. All right, well, that's my complete breakdown for SPY futures and SPY. It'll be great if you guys enjoyed this video, this live stream. If you guys can leave a thumbs up on this live stream. As usual, my goal for every single live stream, every single night is 10 likes so that the algorithm catches on that I am live for any person out there that's not subscribed to the CFO YouTube channel. So make sure you guys leave a like down below if you guys are always enjoying what I have to offer for you guys. But other than that, does anyone have questions? If not, I'll be ending the live stream early tonight. I mean, it's a Friday tomorrow. I mean, we don't really need to focus too much on things. Just, you know, figure out where the trend is going, right, for SPY. Good old water. No questions? So basically, to close out here, as you guys can see in the title, is what I've written is the market reversal over. My conclusion is that not yet, not just yet. All right, and if you guys think that we're already reversing to the downside, well, I have to tell you we're not there yet. We haven't seen a complete gap fill between Monday and Tuesday's price action, where we saw a total combination of 20 points plus move, right? And in SPY futures, it was 200 plus basis points move, right? So that's going to be a very, very, very hard thing to do, to just completely erase everything, unless we have really, really good economic data coming in tomorrow morning, which will be bad for the markets and bad for the future market outlook, and possibly into the FOMC meetings. Okay, and especially into the last two FOMC meetings of November and December. Okay, when we get the FOMC results, right? Okay, of the interest rates, if they're gonna hike it or not. Hey, Bueller, what's up, my man? Thank you, thank you. Okay, so that's it for tonight. For the people who are just joining in, make sure you guys check out the recording. I usually do get 10 likes after the recording, after the live stream is done here. So it'll be great if you guys can get that like to 10 likes, but if not, that's fine. I really don't check the likes too much on my YouTube channel, but that's always the goal, and it'll be great to always try to achieve the goal every single time I am live every single week. All right. So hopefully I'll see you guys in the CFO Discord. If you guys aren't in the CFO Discord, the links are down below in the description box. There's only one link that links to the CFO Stream Watch newsletter, and there are 2 discount codes that you guys can use. So make sure you guys take the opportunity, and I will hopefully see you in the CFO Discord by tomorrow morning. All right, have a great rest of your night, and I'll see you all next week on Tuesday.